Hi, I'm James, and I've spent the last 9 years working in the regenerative medicine field, delivering over 300 lectures across the state of Florida on orthopedic healing as well as natural tissue repair. Now, as someone who understands the science behind how our bodies heal, I'm very selective about what I use personally as well as what I'll recommend to others. But I'm also a guitarist of over 30 years, and unfortunately, that has led to tendonitis in my wrist. That involves tightness, pain, and frustration. And it's all part of the gig, right? But I'm not one to take pain meds or non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs. So when UTK reached out and asked me to test their far infrared wrist heating pad, I was genuinely excited and curious. Now here's the thing. Far infrared therapy is a legitimate modality. It penetrates deep into the muscles and connective tissue, stimulating blood flow while reducing inflammation and supporting the body's natural healing cascade. And that's not just fluff. That's the same biological foundation we build on in stem cell therapy and platelet-rich plasma protocols. The difference is that this heating pad costs a fraction of what those therapies do, and it's something that you can use daily at home without an appointment and without even getting a prescription. So let's take a look and see what's inside the box. Comes with this nice bag, information card, user manual, and the pad itself. You can already tell this is a quality product. Here's your Jade stones right there. There's 5 of them. That helps to dissipate heat more evenly. They actually store the heat and then transfer it. This is your control and your power supply. Let's plug it in. Very long cord. There's 2 different wrapping methods. This one is for focusing on wrist pain, such as carpal tunnel, or if you've got tendonitis. I've got pain right here in the CMC joint area, as well as in the carpal area. And my fingers do get tight and stiff, so I will also utilize the other wrapping method that'll cover the fingers. Pretty simple function here. It doesn't look very difficult to use. That's your timer. You've got 3 different timings, 3 different levels of heat. It's rather comfortable. Now, this is lightweight, ergonomically designed and lined with 5 natural jade stones, which is important because jade helps retain and distribute heat more evenly while also releasing negative ions. And this isn't surface level heat that we're talking about like typical microwave pads. It's far infrared heat with 3 temperature levels up to 159 degrees Fahrenheit with 3 shutoff timer options so that you can relax without worrying. Now, I typically wear this at night after a long day at work or playing guitar. And within about 15 minutes of the session, I noticed a significant difference in the fact that there's much less tension, far better flexibility, and all without skin irritation. Most importantly, there's relief without medication. Now, if you're a musician, an office worker, an athlete, or anyone dealing with carpal tunnel, repetitive strain, tendonitis, or post-op stiffness, this is a smart tool to have in your recovery kit. And if you're already getting stem cell or PRP treatments, this would make an excellent adjunct therapy to extend and enhance your results. Bottom line, the UTK far infrared wrist heating pad is legit. It even comes with a 3-year warranty period, and customer service is available 24/7. It combines durable materials, smart design, and medically sound science to deliver real value, especially if you care about healing without invasive options. Now, I'll drop a product link below in the description. And if you have any questions about this product or regenerative healing, just drop me a comment below. Thanks for watching.